again. No. What?
What are you doing? If you hum that.
Okay.
Okay, from the beginning. Okay, everybody's it.
Yeah, you too. Okay. Okay, let's start with the tutorial. So first, the first step goes 1, 2, 3. So when you're doing this, it starts from here. So the leg is straight and this is slightly bent. You hit here, then you go up and your whole body is in a position where it's straight to the floor. And then you hit here, your leg is bent over here and this one is straight. Then you do a chest roll, shoulder roll. One roll only. It goes like 1. Okay, so it goes 1, bending this way, 2, straight, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's do this one more time. 1, this way, 1, straight, 2, side, 3, 1, 2. Then from the top, you're grabbing and going 1, 1, 2. So it goes 1, 2, 3. And then from this, you go 1, 2. So when you're in this position, when you're grabbing, you go 1. So you just take this leg that is pointing outwards, point it inwards. No? You point it in this way, okay? Then you bring it back up and you bring the other hand up and do this. Okay, so it's 1, 2. And then you go this way and then you go 1, 2. Okay, let's do this 3 more times from the top. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, and then this way, and then 1, 2. 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more time. 1, sideways, straight, other side, shoulder roll. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Okay, now the next steps are, so you're on this position and you push yourself off and you roll 1, so just roll so first down and then, so this goes 2 times. So you from here, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then hit. You do not touch your hands is a gap. Hit, just like this, like 1. Okay? So from here, it goes 1, 2, you push it off and roll from the chest, 2, hit, and then you just do something like this. It's your own step, you can make it up. Or you walk and you walk a little front. So you just do like this and walk a little front. Okay, now let's do this from the top. One time. So you start from 1, 2, 3, roll 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, push, roll 1, 2, and hit. Okay, the next step, after this step, you're walking, right? You go 1, 2, or you can even do 1, 2, or something like that. Next, it goes It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. This step you're rolling your waist round and round in a circle. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you pretend you're locking a belt with your leg. So your leg just goes the same thing that we did in the beginning, just with the hands. So it goes 1, 2. So you click your belt. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're just from the waist sides. Goes 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you do 1, 2. The waist is just going 1, 2. Last step, you're just like sitting on down like that. 1, 2. And then your hands just are going with your waist. It's kind of like glued onto your waist, so wherever the waist side moves, that's where it goes. Okay, let's do this at the top 2 more times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Then 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Then belt. And then you go waist. Okay? This is one more time. 1, 2, 3. Roll. 1, 2. 1, 2. Roll 2 times. Hit. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Belt. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then after that, it's a simple step. You just go 1, 2. That's okay. Can you?
Yeah, we let it.
You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then after that, you just put your hands up and go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So it's right here. We start from the beginning. We'll do this 2 more times, and then we can try it with the music. Okay? So it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, hit. Then 1, 2, 4, 5. Seatbelt. And then 1. Then 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then like that. 1. Hands up to me. Okay? Now let's do this one more time and then music. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Up, 2. Never some. I wanna step with some cord. Seatbelt. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Done. Okay? Now let's try this with the music. DJ, turn it up.
Look in front and you're forgetting to pose in the end. Whatever pose, you can do this pose, anything, just do anything. Okay, let's start again. So you finished the tutorial?
Yeah, we'll just do it one more time.
Seriously? Why are you looking at me?
Everybody looking at